A few other beneficial features of Recharge Manager over and above the standard features, which allow you to improve the performance of your intercompany billing between different legal entities. We also have the ability to mark up transactions between legal entities. This means that if you're recharging from a source entity, for instance, in one region and target entity in another region, you have taxes that could be applied to those transactions and you want to mitigate those taxes, we can utilize the markup process to zero out the taxes that are applied to the transaction. Alternatively, you may just simply want to make some profit in your recharge process and add on a 5% administration charge to all transactions marked up or to specific transactions marked up. This markup process is defined based on your legal entity as well as combinations of what type of attributes have been assigned to the recharge transactions. Additionally, we've spoken about the recharge taxes. What can happen here is during a recharge from one legal entity to another, certain statutory taxes are applied, such as VAT, it could be GST, it could be withholding taxes. Those are defined in our taxes matrix, and that allows for the system to automatically assign transactions or taxes to the transactions during the recharge process. Last feature that's in addition to the standard product is the onward recharging setup. What this means is that you could have transactions that are recharged as a single process from one legal entity to another legal entity. You then rerun the recharge process and the system can pick up transactions in that legal entity that were previously charged onto them. And those could be added into a different grouping or a different recharge matrix to recharge out to subsidiaries of that group of companies. This means that you could use, for instance, a overhead principal from your corporate structures to recharge costs down to your second level of companies. And then from your second level of companies, you could then pick those transactions up and use a direct labor driver to automatically charge those onto different entities as well below them.